Hi, this is Harish here. Welcome to DB2 LUW Tips and Tricks video tutorial part 165. In this video tutorial, the tip that I wanted to give is what is free space control record. The scripts that I'm using, the data files that I'm using are available for free download at db2luwacademy.blogspot.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel youtube.com/db2luwacademy. The problem scenario and the steps to reproduce. The problem scenario is we want to discuss about what is the free space control record. A table space is where the table is going to be created, and the table is composed of so many pages, and of all the pages, every 500 page of the table will have no data in it. Rather than that particular page stores free space information of the next 500 table pages. So for example, if you have 30,000 pages like that of the table, so every 500 page you will see like the page contains no data for that particular table. Rather, it contains the information of how many free space is available in each of the subsequent following 500 pages. It will be somewhat clear when you look at the examples, and the steps are pretty easy. I'm not going to even demo for the simplicity of the test case. You just need to import utility. You just need to use the import utility to load data into table. So it can be just any table. You just need to make sure that 30,000 pages of data you are getting filled up. Okay, and any case you can refer to the script files, the data files I'm using. I'll show you the test case. And you can use the db2pd-tcb stats command, and the output fcr_updates value will tell you how many free space control record updates are happening. And you can use the db2 utility to extract the table pages and view the that every 500th page you can visibly see the FCR information. So that's what it is. So I'm just going to close this PDF now. Let's go into the test case. The test case is very simple. See, I'm just connecting to the database sample. I'm creating a regular table space DMS1 managed by database using, like, I'm giving 30,000 here and 30,000 here, and the extent size, auto resize, and max size I have given. Okay, that's the table space. And I have created a table 4KB with comments as the column varchar of 4000 in DMS1. And you can select this syscat.tables to get the table space ID. So this is the table space ID, and this is the object ID. Object ID is nothing but the table ID, so which you can use in the db2 utility. And this is the dot utility on the sample database. This option /dd is going to dump the table data pages, and all you need to do is import from 40mb.del and insert into 4KB. That's all. So you can just look at the table space show detail, like a before and after the import utility, so you can know how many pages, what is the high water mark. You can see how much the increase in the space is happening, like that you can see. And what I have done in this 40mb.del is that is significant. So I'll show you. See, this 4KB table will contain one row of 4000 characters. So to store that one row, it will take one page of the table, because one page is actually 4K. So one row of the table itself will occupy one page. So there will be very minimal space only, free space only available in each page. So when I import the 40MB, I'll show you the 40MB.del file itself. So you can see this is just some junk data, 1ABC, like you can see if you go to the end, this is the one. So this is about, okay, let's see like how many characters. Yeah, this is about 3998. You can see 3998. 4000 is the varchar I have given, so 2 bytes less only, but that's okay. But what is significant is when I import using this 40mb.del, it will insert all the records into table. So one row will become one page, right? So it will take one page. One insert will take one page. This will be one page. This will be one page. So it will have so many number of pages. And particularly if you look at the 800 page, okay, so maybe 800 or 850, I'm not sure. Okay, so let's go. I think it is 850. Yeah, so you can see the 850th record should start with 850 ABC, like that. So that is what I have indicated here. So then 1200, 1800. Okay, then 1200, sorry. Yeah, 1200. ABC. Okay. So you can see the 1200 record is 1200 ABC, that starts with that value, and 1800. So you can see 1800 record starts with, which means roughly 1800 page of the table should have the value 1800 ABC, like that. Okay, it should start like that. And also maybe 10,100 or something, I don't know, let's see. Yeah, 10,100 is also starts with 10,100 ABC, like that. So I can identify the row number with the data in it. Okay, so it's an approximation, but still it works good. Okay, so what did I do? So the test case is very simple. I just imported. So, and I did the db2.utility. You can look at the TCB stats also. You can look at the FCSR updates column. Okay, and I'll show you the, after I run the db2.utility. Okay, so it's giving me the sample report. So in the sample report page itself, in the sample report itself, you can see, like, see, this is the page 1. See, this is the free space control record. So this contains right from page 0 up to page 500 what are all the free spaces available. This is the free space control record, which you can see, and it tells you that each of the page, so 496, so this is maybe 496, 497, 498, 499. So the 500 pages, maybe from 0 to 500, like that, you can take 0 to 499. Those pages are having 15 bytes per page free. That is what this is telling. So if I go to for example, so if I go here, I have to look for the, we inserted around 850, right? So you can see that object page number equal to, okay, control C, control F, object page number equal to 500, like that I'll say. So because every 500th page should be oh, this is page 5009, not this one. Okay, let me, okay, backward direction. No, so okay, let me search like this, page 500. Okay, control home, page 500. Yep, so this is the page 500, page 500 of the object, and this is containing the free space control record, and 850, right? So it should be like around 350. So 500 plus 350 will be 850. Where is it? Here. So this we can assume 348, 349, 350, 351. So you can see here, this is having 25. So which means that particular page is having 25 bytes of free space. So if I come back to that 40 MB data, right? Control G, 850. So I was telling, like, 850th page. See, 850th page should start the data with 850 ABC, right? And you can see that, and also another thing to notice here is, see, look at this, this is 3988, okay, which is 3988. If you look at all the typical records, it will be 3998. You can look here, 3998. So which is 10 bytes shorter, right? So which means 25 bytes it will have. So it will have 25 bytes free. Okay. So I'll come here. See, all the pages have 15 bytes free, but this guy will have 10 bytes extra because we have reduced the length of the record. So 348, 349, 350. So roughly 351, the page number 351 should carry that information. Okay. So let us 350 first page, right? So it should be around, we can search using the data, 850 ABC, right? Wait, it is not there. Okay, let me just find 850 ABC wraparound match case. Yeah, so the 850 ABC, see, this is the page containing the data, and you can see that this total free space you can see here 25, because the rest of all the pages will have total free space as 15. This particular page will have free space of 25, and this is 851. The page number is 851, and it matches with our number 850, right? So if the page number starts from 0, it will be 850 first page, correct? So you can see here that the 850 first page is containing 25 is the amount of free space in that 851 page number, which is what is getting displayed in the free space control record of the page, what was that? Page 500. Page 500 of object. Page 500 of object 4. You can see this is a free space control record. So around 350, you can see that it is 25. See, this is that one. Around 350, because 500 plus 350 will be 850, right? So 348, 349, 350, 351. So maybe it's that numbering starts from 0. That's why we are seeing like that. So similarly, if I go to, so 850 I said, right? So if I go to 1200, right? 1200 ABC, that data value. So it is 1200th page, right? So this should be approximately around 1201 or 1202, like that, okay, of the page number. So we will search for 1200 ABC. Okay, we'll find that. So that is also there. So you can see that data is there, and that data should have 25 bytes of free pages. See, total free space is 25 again. So which is in the page number 1202. So the object page number is 1202, which matches like approximately 1200, right? So 1200. So it should be 1202 here. That page number contains the data, but the 1202 page number, there should be a free space control record every 500 page, right? So in 1000, page 1000, so we'll say page 1000 of object. So in that you should find, okay, let's match case I will remove, find next. Okay, so page 1000. So this should be again a free space control record. Yeah, this is a free space control record. So this is 1000. So this page will be 1001, this page will be 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, like that. Okay, so if we can look like that, then 1200 around something we are expecting, right? So 1000 here, see, 1201, 1202, 1203. Maybe I am counting, but approximately it comes, right? So that's what it says. So this will be, when it says 200, I think then you just need to calculate relative, because it is like the page number is starting from 0. So 1200, 1201, 1202. So the page number 1202, okay, the page number 1202 contains 25 bytes of free space. So page number 1202. So let's look at the data. Should be 1200. 1202. Yeah, so this is the 1200, and you see here 1202 is the page number. So total free space is 25 bytes, and 1202 is the page number. So you can see that. Okay, so like this you can see for 1800 also, 10,100 also. You can see I leave this as an exercise because all these files are already uploaded, so you can download it. And so pretty much that's it. It's very simple to see the free space control record using the db2.utility itself, just by simply following very minimal steps as like to this one. So just create the table space, load the data, and just dump the pages, you should be able to see the free space control record. Okay. Hope this information was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.